Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 6 herbs to improve lung health. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. For thousands of years, people have used Ayurvedic herbs to support lung and respiratory health. You may already be familiar with a few of these extraordinary herbs. Here are top 6 herbs used to support healthy lungs and reinforce the respiratory system. Number 1. Peppermint. Peppermint is undoubtedly one of the most well-known herbs. Since the 11th century BC, peppermint has been used for rejuvenation and vitality. Ancient Romans and Egyptians used peppermint to soothe digestive issues. Today, peppermint is used to alleviate many symptoms ranging from digestive and respiratory issues, to reducing tension and helping stimulate mental function. The menthol in peppermint can act as a natural decongestant. Try breathing in the steam from hot water mixed with peppermint oil to help open nasal passages. You can also use fresh or dried peppermint leaves to make a refreshing tea. Number 2. Pushkarmool. Pushkarmool, or Inula racemose, is a perennial herb that's part of the daisy family. Showcasing bright yellow flowers and wide green leaves. Pushkarmool has many therapeutic uses but is mainly used as an expectorant and bronchodilator. Expectorants work by thinning the mucus in your airway so you have more productive coughs. A bronchodilator relaxes the muscles in the lungs, widening your airway for normal, healthy breathing. Pushkarmool is available as an herbal supplement in capsule form that can easily be added to your wellness routine. It can also support healthy blood pressure. Number 3. Pippali. Pippali, also called long pepper, is an aromatic herb used for centuries for its broad restorative properties. This exotic perennial plant bears long thin fruits that are dark green and shiny. In Ayurveda, Pippali is a resana, or rejuvenating herb, widely used to support respiratory health. It helps to reinforce lung health and ease blockage. Pippali is a common ingredient in many Ayurvedic preparations due to its bioactive elements. For respiratory support, try mixing 1 teaspoon of Pippali powder, turmeric powder, and dried ginger powder into a cup of warm water. Add a teaspoon of honey for a soothing effect. Now imagine the comfort you'll feel from being able to take a deep, full breath. Number 4. Ginger. Since ancient times, ginger, with its spicy flavor, has been used to enhance culinary dishes the world over. It's brimming with minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc. It's also rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds that support healthy digestive function, making it a popular home remedy for stomach health. Ginger is also known for its beneficial properties. Studies indicate that ginger helps relax bronchial constriction, break down and expel mucus, and support a healthy inflammatory response. Number 5. Bibhitaki. Bibhitaki, Terminalia bellerica, is a large tree commonly found on the plains and lower hills in South Asia. The fruit or nut of the tree is used in traditional Ayurveda as a resana, for longevity, stamina, and to invigorate and rejuvenate the body. Bibhitaki is one of the 3 fruits of Triphala which helps balance all 3 doshas, and can be found in a convenient capsule to support your overall wellness. Bibhitaki contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, and selenium. It is a strong expectorant that helps support open airways. Number 6. Rosemary. Known as Rosemary in Ayurveda, rosemary is an aromatic herb largely used as a seasoning and garnish in culinary dishes. It has a distinctive fragrant aroma and is a member of the mint family. You may have noticed rosemary essential oil as an ingredient in your soap and other skincare products. This is because rosemary contains antioxidant properties that protect the skin and reduce the signs of aging. To help clear nasal passages, add rosemary oil to a diffuser. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to a mug or small pot of boiling water and carefully inhale the vapor. This helps clear mucus from your lungs, enabling you to breathe easier. Another option is to make rosemary tea. Simply place 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary into a mesh tea basket. These powerful plants and herbs with their countless benefits have stood the test of time. For more than 5,000 years, people have achieved and sustained wellness through conscious living and by implementing natural remedies into their daily lives. You can purchase these herbs at your health food stores. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best, from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.